Shares of Intel are moving a little bit, down 3% in the pre-market. The stock was up yesterday on continuing speculation that rival firms Broadcom and Taiwan Semi are thinking about a deal that would split the embattled Intel into two. For more on the chip and AI sector, let's bring in Matt Bryson, semiconductor analyst at Wedbush Securities. Do you know anything about the likelihood of that happening, Matt, in terms of Intel?
I don't know whether it happens or not. It would provide a solution to the problems they've been having on the fab side. I guess the thing I struggle with is the market concentration, particularly on the fab side, would be beyond what we typically see allowed by regulators.
The prospects today for chips, I mean, they're not all created equally. Can you break that down for us on I mean, AI has been, such an important narrative for the whole group. Will that continue? Who benefits the most? Who doesn't benefit? What changes?
Yeah, I mean, so chips aren't created equally. So at the end of the day, a lot of the advantage comes from the manufacturing. Taiwan Semi is better at it than anyone else in the world. So you look at the leaders in the AI space, whether it be NVIDIA, who clearly leads with their own GPUs, but then someone like a Broadcom or a Marvell who's supplying AI products that are custom built for the large cloud companies. They all source from TSM. And so there's a difference, and that's part of what Intel has struggled with, and that's where their struggles really began.
Is the industry now too fragmented for just to watch the stocks or to watch something that encompasses the whole group and try to determine where the economy's headed right now or where the stock market is headed right now? Is it still work that way with chips, or AI changed everything?
I think for now, AI has changed everything. So AI is what's moved the semiconductor space over the last year. And I mean, even the last 3 months, speculation around is NVIDIA doing as well as they thought they might be in terms of bringing their new Blackwell products to market has caused a sell-off and then a rally. DeepSeek caused a sell-off and a rally. And really, that's all AI related versus reflective of what's going on in the broader economy. And when you look at demand for these chips and the amount that we're seeing being spent by whether it's the cloud companies, whether it's sovereign entities, it seems to have divested itself from the rest of the economy.
Well, I'll miss that because we could always sort of look at the boom and bust cycles in the semiconductors and determine what was happening. I think you're right, though. I think NVIDIA changed everything. Taiwan Semi, we don't even talk about Intel or Micron or AMD. We do a little, but Qualcomm.